Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So this time in this video, I'd like to show you how to convert this number to become a text. As you can see here, this converting from the number to become text can help you to, let's say if you would like to teach your children to spell the number here, then you can use this Google Spreadsheet to spell or convert this number to become the text. So, and also don't worry if you are not having this function of the number text. So I will also give you how to install it so this function can be exist or can exist into this Google Spreadsheet. So the first step we will do, if we would like to convert this number, then we will select this cell of D3 here, then type the equal, and I will type the function of number text. Give it a click until it shows you the open parentheses. Then you can click the cell that contains the number that you would like to spell the number itself and close it with the parentheses and enter. It will give you a while to process the result, and there you go. This is the conversion from the number to become the text, and you can simply drag it down to get the rest of the result. There you go. This is the result from the conversion. And also, if you don't find this function before, because I have also experienced it too, this function is not here or was not here in the previous time. So the first thing you will do is click this extension, guys, and click add-ons and get add-ons and click it. It will show you the several options over here, and it will show you the Google Workspace Marketplace. And for this searching section, you can type the number text and click it. And you can install this section, the number text, and it will give you a while to install it. Since I have installed it, so the mark over here or the button over here to become the uninstalled. But if you would like to install it, the button would be the blue button to install it, and it might be take you a minute to install, and it is ready to use, guys. So don't forget to try it into your account, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. That's all from me, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more on another video tutorials. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.